This is a spring wound wall clock that I got at a Salvation Army thrift store for $3.99. It says it doesn't work. It's not I don't think it's an antique. It's probably only from like the late 80s or 90s, but I thought I'd give it a go. It's only being $4. It is overwound. I can feel like I can't wind it anymore, and I can reach in there and it won't tick, it won't chime. I assume it needs oil. Another thing that makes me think that is that the adjustment on the pendulum is all the way up, as if they're trying to get it to tick faster because it probably kept slowing down and stopping. So my guess is that this just needs oil and it'll probably work. This here's another one I got at the same thrift store for $3.99. Said it didn't work. Funnily enough, this one actually does work. I got it working in the store. This one just needs to be wound. Looks like it's the same manufacturer, I'd assume, DEA. This one works. It just needs a new badge on the pendulum there. But yeah, let's open this one up and I will see what's going on. Okay, inside. So what I've been doing here is first I'm just unwinding it a little bit just to get it from being so wound up. I'm just pushing on the lever here and just gently letting it out so it's not so wound up. Don't want there being that much tension on it when I take it out. All right, so I've been going over the whole thing and some isopropyl alcohol to get rid of the dust and grease, old grease. See, stuff's starting to move now, so that's looking like what the problem was. Yep. I'll let this dry, and then I'm going to put my clock oil on it. Alright, so I went over and oiled each one of the little bearings. And now, as you can see, it wants to chime. Of course, this won't go back down because there's no gravity being flat like that. I believe it's ticking, but I'm going to put it back into the case and test it just to make sure it's still ticking and everything correctly. But yeah, so it looks like, as far as I know right now, it looks like just needed oil. All right, I've got it running here. Seems like everything's working properly in there. So yeah, I'm gonna put it all the way back together now. Okay, now the clock is fully functional. It ticks. I'm not sure if it keeps time yet, but I'm going to adjust it as I let it run. And I'll open up the door. And I'll get it to chime. So yeah, definitely not bad for $4. And all I needed to do was open it up and clean it and oil it. All right. Thanks for watching.